Okay, here's the steering wheel control trial setup for the head unit in the Triumph Spitfire. And the first one we're going to do is the volume plus and minus. So we'll do volume up, volume down, channel up, channel down, channel up, channel down, navigation, back to radio, just going back to the radio, is the mute, the power I'm going to wait for last, that cuts it off. Mode jumps between FM and AM. Sorry, it's mode, sorry. Just the various functions. Back to radio. And then last is call and end. The end only works if you're actually on a call. If I want to make a call, I press call. And then dial the number. I'll go back to radio. Then the power button cuts off the radio. Push it. I'll push and hold for seconds. It cuts it off. Alright, there you go. That's steering wheel control. That's the trial version. Hopefully I'll get it into the steering wheel.